Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this Smokey half cut crease winged out makeup look. Before we get started, I do want to say real quick that on camera it looks cool tone. It looks so weird because of the lippy and the makeup, the eye makeup. It just looks so weird, but IRL, the reason why I went for that lippy is because of the warm colors that I put in my crease are like spot on. So on camera it looks like a cool tone eye and a warm lippy, which is so weird, but IRL it's literally warm tone eyes and warm tone lip. Like it, yeah, on camera it's just not picking that warm toneness, if that makes sense, on the eye makeup. That made no sense. But I'm going to be grabbing this Dominique Latte palette. I'm going to be grabbing that color that I just showed you guys. I'm going to be putting that in the crease and also wing it out with this color. I'm going to be putting it in my crease. Also, I'm going to wing it out and then on the outer part of my eye. And then I'm going to be grabbing the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, grab that color, and I'm going to be putting it in my crease and also the outer part of my eye and wing it out. Obviously, all the matte colors that we're going to be taking, I'm going to be winging it out. Those two colors that we just took is going to be a base for the black that we're about to, that color from the Dominique Latte palette, like the warm red shade, and that brown shade that we took from the Morphe palette, those two colors is just going to help blend that black out. So I'm going to be putting the black on the outer part of my eye, a little bit in the crease and the inner part, and I'm going to be grabbing a bigger brush, grab a little bit black, a little bit of that, and kind of wing it out like the other colors. And then I'm going to be grabbing this Maybelline New York Stay Matte foundation. I don't remember, but everything will be linked by the down below for you guys. Like everything that I'm going to be using today, it'll be down below in order. So if I don't say anything, or if I miss something, or you miss something, it'll be down below for you guys. But I'm going to be taking this and carving out my crease, and taking this brush, which we took the other colors on, and kind of blend out the outer part of the eye so everything looks blended, and then set it with a translucent powder. I'm going to be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder. And then you could just keep it like this. You could put on lashes, you do your full face, and like you're done, but I'm extra, as we all know. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to be grabbing this L'Oreal Paris 24 eyeshadow in the color Ice Latte, I believe, and put that on the inner part of the crease. Not inner part of the crease, inner part of the half cut crease that we just mapped out. And then at first I wanted to like do a purple, but then I was like, I'm not going to do a purple because I feel like I've been putting purple down your guys' throat for some reason, because I've been doing like a couple purple makeup looks. So I'm going to grab the Morphe 9C palette and grab this gold instead, and put that on the middle part of the eye. So yeah. And I feel like this color is more of a topper instead of like a full pigment. So it might take a while if you have this palette, and if you're doing this look, it might take a while to actually like apply it, because I feel like it's more of a topper instead of an actual pigment. But I don't know, maybe it's a bad gold. I have no idea, but I like it, and I was just damping the brush to apply it, and it worked really well. Now I'm using this Naked glitter, and I'm putting it wherever I put the Ice Latte color, and also on the top of the crease where we mapped it out with the foundation, like right up there. So this will just make it brighter and everything. The color of this glitter, by the way, will be down below for you guys. Now, since I can't remember what pair of lashes these are. I'm just going to have them down below for you guys. But now to the bottom lash line, I'm going to be taking those two Dominique Latte colors that we took from that palette and put it all the way into the inner corner of the eye. And just really blow that out. And also all the colors that I'm taking down there, I'm going to be connecting that to the top of the lid just so everything looks really good together. And then I'm going to be taking that color from the Morphe palette and put that on the outer part of the eye. And then I'm going to take that black and put a little bit on the outer part of the eye where we put that brown. I'm going to be putting this black right on top. And I also did a little bit of black liner, not like using black liner. I didn't use black liner. I just put like the black eyeshadow on the outer part of the waterline. And then I'm going to be grabbing the mascara, put that on the bottom lash line, and then I'm going to be taking this yellow white shade, and I've really been loving this shade for my brow bone, so I'm going to be popping that right up there. And then I'm going to be grabbing the same color that we took for the inner part of the lid. I'm going to be putting that in my inner tear duct. And then this lippy is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in Spice. And then I put something right on top, which I'll have it down below for you guys because I don't remember what it's called. But yeah, so I hope you guys like how this look. If you do, give it a like and also comment what you guys want to see next. Everything will be down below for you guys. My social medias, the products that I used, last video will be down below for you guys also. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!